So today, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about sauces. And we are going to show you how to make, are we making 5 sauces?
A lot.
A lot. These are things that you will find in the grocery store already jarred. So you'll recognize the names. All of them start from a very basic red sauce, what we call a marinara sauce. We're going to start with a basic tomato sauce. Then we're going to show you how to make a marinara.
Pomorolo.
Then we're going to show you how to make an arrabbiata. What does arrabbiata mean in Italian?
Mad.
Angry.
Angry.
And then we're going to show you how to make a vodka sauce. And we have a twist to our vodka sauce. Very exciting, so stay tuned. We're going to make that at the end. We're going to make you watch all of them. And so anyway, so I guess we'll get going. Let me just say this about tomato sauce. So you can make tomato sauce from fresh tomatoes. The proper way to do it is to blanch the tomatoes, skin the tomatoes, crush the tomatoes, and then you'll add your oil, you'll add your salt, you'll add your a little bit of garlic, a little bit of onion if that's something that you do. And that's essentially, you're making your own crushed tomatoes, which is something that you can find in a can. We here in our kitchen love to use, excuse my reach, Mutti. I think it is the best tasting tomato. It's actually grown very near us in Parma. This is a polpa, which at the table of La Fortessa, my cookbook, recommends this polpa, which is a crushed tomato. And yeah, so you can make a sauce very quickly, 1, 2, 3, you'll see. And you can then make all these variations. I always wonder about this. So when I make tomato sauce, and I do because we have so many tomatoes in our garden that I make tomato sauce all summer long. I'm just making it, putting in a plastic bag, which by the way you can do, and then just put it in the freezer, and then when you need to use it, you just pull it out and it's fresh. Is that a thing? I mean, do Italians like cook sauce all day?
For tomato?
Tomato sauce,
No,
they cook it all day long?
Actually, I cook for 1 hour, 1 hour and a half.
Okay, so that's like our Italian tip about cooking tomato sauce. People make it seem super complicated, but it's really not. It's really easy.
So the can will save you how much time?
The can will save you 10 minutes, right?
10.
15 minutes, yeah. It's quick, very quick, quick.
See, in Italy we say, or you cook 10 minutes, 15 minutes, or you cook 1 hour, nothing in between.
So right now, Leo's cutting up some garlic. How many pieces did you use?
2 for every can.
If you wanted more garlic, you obviously add more garlic. I mean, we like a medium garlic flavor here, would you say?
Or you like a perfect garlic inside?
Perfect garlic inside?
2 1 can. 2 garlic.
2, so according to Leo, the world according to Leo, is that 2 cloves per can is the perfect ratio.
Esatto.
Okay. So we are softening the garlic
Really
into the oil. And the key here is it's very low heat. And you see he's pulling it off because he doesn't want to burn it. Because as soon as you burn your garlic, take this entire pan and throw it out and start again. Because it will give your sauce a terrible taste. I always advise that when you're cooking something, garlic can go in after the onions. Even if you put meat or vegetables in, it can go on top of it because you don't want it to sit at the bottom of the pan because the garlic will definitely burn. And it really does, you know, it just ruins the flavor of the entire dish. So the key here is low and slow. Make it transparent, like make it flavor the oil. So it doesn't have to go for long because it will flavor the oil very quickly. And then that's it. We just let it go for like 10 minutes, yeah?
See, 10 minutes when it starts to boil.
So this is the base of all of your sauces, right? So now from here you can make 4 to 5 to 6 to 7 sauces, depending. To make an arrabbiata sauce, you're going to need some flaked peppers, some parsley, and some oil. So arrabbiata sauce is a spicy tomato sauce. We've already salted the tomato sauce, so you don't have to do anything to that. And then you're just going to simply add the tomato sauce to the oil infused with the hot peppers. So what it's going to do is it's going to go through the tomato sauce and it's going to flavor it, and it's going to be spicy. So essentially your sauce is done. Once you put the tomato sauce into it, your arrabbiata sauce is pretty much done. I mean, you literally have to cook it for a few minutes, 2 minutes.
This is the simple Pomorolo sauce.
So you take your tomato sauce and then you break up fresh basil into it. And that is a Pomorolo sauce, which is just a tomato sauce with basil. Again, super simple, great way to, if you have, you can make sauce ahead of time, stick it in the fridge, and every night you can have a different flavor in your tomato sauce if you like. So far we've made a tomato sauce, a Pomorolo, an Arrabbiata sauce, and now we're going to show you how they make a vodka sauce. And there's a surprise ingredient that I have never heard of before today. And apparently it is an Italian thing. So we're going to use some butter. We're going to add in some cream. We're going to add in some vodka. If you've made a vodka sauce or eaten a vodka sauce, you know that. But the twist is smoked salmon. Wow! So crazy. So first we start with butter, about 5 tablespoons of butter. Then we put smoked salmon, probably like a half a cup. I'd say 2 slices from a packet that you would get. Then you put the salmon in the butter. He's mushing it up. It takes about 2 minutes. Then we pour in the vodka. Don't do that at home though. He's just showing off. Please don't set your kitchen on fire.
How would you add vodka without that?
Oh, just pull it off the heat. I mean, we've got a flame going here, and then this guy tips it a bit, and it goes up. It's don't tip your pan. If you're afraid of the vodka, just pull it off the fire. It's about a 1/4 cup of vodka.
Parsley.
About 2 tablespoons of chopped parsley, and then we're going to add the cream in. It's about a cup of cream. Then your final step would be to add your tomato sauce that you made into it. So he just kind of colored it with the tomato sauce. It's probably 3/4 of a cup of the tomato sauce gets put into the butter, salmon, vodka, cream, and then the tomato. So that's how you take a traditional tomato sauce and you make 4 different variations. I hope you enjoyed this episode. We certainly did. We're gonna make up pasta, and I'm gonna try that. I'm definitely trying vodka sauce with a glass of vodka. No, I'm just kidding. Thanks for joining us. As per usual, we love you guys. Please like and
Subscribe.
That's right. Say it with more energy. Please like and
subscribe.
We're done. Goodbye. Ciao.